shaking. I can't hold the camera. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. We have a very special video for you guys today. I think we're gonna call Roush Creek our testing grounds from now on, because I feel like whenever we want to go off-roading, we come up here and it's something new we're testing out. So we got two Jeeps kind of behind me off to the side. One is mine and one is Blake's right here. He hasn't been in any of the videos, except for one of the Roush Creek ones, right?
The Jeep's been in a couple.
Yeah. So
I haven't personally, but yeah.
And then of course this dude. Yeah, so the Jeep is officially out here on Dana 60s and 40s, which is insane. I never thought it'd be out here. So we'll show a little of what it's capable of. We don't have any lockers right now, which kind of sucks, but we still have four-wheel drive, so we'll see what we can do. Blake, you want to tell them a little bit about your Jeep?
Well, Lucas gave me some axles for my Jeep, and now I'm on JK44, so should be a good time out here. This is my first time out on them, so
yeah,
I'm excited, and I have lockers, front and rear, and it's the first time on 37s too, so it should be a good time.
Yeah, so, absolutely. So Blake and I are both kind of testing both our setups up for, I can't talk right now, it's cold. It's like 30 degrees out here. I'm not used to it yet, but we both are testing our new setups. It's gonna be a fun one. We'll see what they're capable of, and Blake's got lockers, I don't, so I'm sure he'll outcrawl me. We'll
make it home, baby.
Yeah, but yeah, he's got to make it home. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll get right into it. Guys, that was fun. That was the first little rip in the TJ on the 60s and 40s. That was two-wheel drive too, so oh god, I'm getting like butterflies. This is awesome. Yeah, we're just in the rock garden here at Roush Creek, just messing around a little bit. Sorry if the lighting's bad, the sun's in a weird spot, but yeah, we're waiting for some few guys to show up, and we'll hit the trails. I'm really ready and I'm excited. Let's go.
That look easy.
You guys know I love my TJs and LJs and all the older Jeeps wheeling. We have 3 TJs in this group. I put up 2 fingers. 3 TJs. This one, he's doing a harder line right now.
I don't know if it's connected much anymore.
Yeah.
I see. Can we pop it back in?
No, you can screw that.
was a fun one. Got a little damage report. I heard some crunching. I don't know if you guys heard that, if the GoPro caught that, but check this out. That's full on bent and cracked. Well, that's all Bondo. But yeah, that's not supposed to be bent in like that. These 40s are just big. Oh yeah, did it here too. Look at that. Looks like we're gonna have to do some more clearancing. But that's the reason we come out here, to figure out what needs to be done to make sure it's perfect. But yeah, it's, other than that, it's performing great. So far so good, and we'll just keep on hitting the trails. That was called Pizza Rock. That was called Pizza Rock?
Pizza Rock, that's what
Interesting. Sweet. Little badass little beater TJ. That thing's cool. And we got Blake's TJ right there.
Keep coming. All right, now the wall's gonna ride to the left. Keep coming. Just like that. You're doing fine. Driver a little bit. Driver, 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 other driver. There you go. Come towards me a little bit more. There you go. Keep, and then as you're coming around the wall, driver more, driver more, driver more. Just like that. You're doing fine. Driver, you're riding the wall. You're doing good. Driver, 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 driver. Coming, coming. Hard part's almost over. You're doing good. Almost out of it. Driver, driver. There you go. You're good. Thanks, man. Bye, man.
All right, we're at Jotter's Way, which I might give this a try, but it's pretty damn sketchy. Send it, dude.
I didn't expect whatever that was. We just smashed into something.
Let me see. It's just your axle. You're good. Just like that. Passenger, passenger, passenger.
You're not gonna be able to back up. So you want to keep going forward.
Hey, this will be in the video.
This is definitely going to be in the video. So you're on absolutely nothing back here. I try to back up. Try your best. Oh yeah, your exhaust pipe is done. But it. All right, now you're good. If you want to. Oh yeah, you can go forward.
plastic corner.
Oh, his exhaust pipe, dude, completely folded.
He needs to fill that. Where you were before we put the rock in?
And there's the rock of somebody else.
Oh, dude, you see his exhaust pipe?
A little more.
His exhaust pipe's just hanging, dude.
You can see somebody use that rock right.
The ladybug in.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Go, 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 go. Oh, you have it. You're clear of that.
It's the slip and slide, that's what.
Driver. I drove driver forward.
Come to us slow.
Why can't you?
Man, you need lockers.
All right.
What about hard passenger? You just come up onto the easy line.
Yeah.
Passenger.
Get that rock going.
Passenger. Go back.
You just need your locker and that's it. You're done.
Oh yeah.
Stop. Hey.
It's not worth it.
Go. That's what I'm saying. Go fast.
Send it.
Watch that train.
Oh, that was fun. Dude, that was scary.
Yeah. Well, that's what the thing was when you're.
I'm literally shaking. I can't hold the camera.
When it kicks out, you're like, oh, that doesn't feel good.
No, that was.
Just your left wheels were spinning.
Oh, really?
Right wheels were spinning.
At least you were on the right side, so it looked cool. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I did that without lockers.
Yeah. And there's some more cool.
Oh my god, dude. I'm literally.
Yeah, man.
That's the craziest thing I think I've done in this Jeep so
That's a
far.
good time.
Jumping.
Yeah.
And when all four get spinning,
Oh man.
man, that's what's fun about it.
Whew. Oh, you're good. Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh man.
I don't know what that seems fine. Wow, what a way to end an awesome day testing out the Jeep, making sure everything went smoothly. That last trail, that was Jotter's Way, I believe. There's no way I was going up that steep. If you're familiar with Jotter's Way, that steep cliff face first, or at all right now, until I don't know. Maybe if I had a buggy, I would try that. But that little offside chute that I went up and bounced around, and that was 100% the sketchiest thing I've done in my Jeep thus far. And I'm not afraid to send it now that it has Dana 60s and 40s, and I can kind of play with it a little bit. So
Yeah, but the funny thing is you did that with just one front and one rear tire spinning.
yeah. So if you noticed, I'm glad the camera's was on the side where the tires are spinning, so it at least looked cool. But yeah, I had no lockers. That was just standard four-wheel drive and limited slip front and rear, and I made it up. And that was pretty impressive, I think. I'm sitting in the driver's seat, see smoke, and I'm like, hell yeah, this is cool. And only 2 tires are spinning, so the first thing I'm ordering is the cables and levers for the aux lockers, and then we're gonna come back. I can't talk, dude. Today's been bad. We're gonna come back up and probably test it out again. So the dudes we wheeled with were pretty cool too.
Yeah, and the good thing is you didn't break anything, right?
Yeah.
We realized you got to open the rear wheel wells a little bit more.
Yeah.
Right?
See, this is one reason why we haven't painted it, and it's because we're making all these changes and stuff like that.
Thank God.
And if we would have painted it and it would have been pristine, we would have just destroyed that rear part of the bed.
On both sides.
Yeah, so now that we know we have to cut, we'll be able to cut and then finally get it ready for paint. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun. Yeah, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up.
See you guys.
See you guys. Peace sign.